Hello everyone, welcome back to Stitch and Kai Curation. In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to make this trendy stylish tote bag you are seeing on the screen from the beginning to the end. But before we start, I would like to thank everyone for your support so far. Thank you so much, I really appreciate. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and give your thoughts in the comment section below. Now let's get started. So this is the leather I'll be using to combine the black leather to make the tote bag. And the measurement I cut out is 16.5 inches wide by 12.7 inches length. So I've shaped the bottom of the tote bag. You can see the way it looks like, both the front and the back panel. Then I cut out the two handle I'll be using, and the measurement is 31.5 inches length by 2.5 inches wide. Then I also cut out the handle cover to cover the handle of the tote bag, just to give it a new bag design, a new style. So I'll be working on the handle first. Then I will try to fold it into two to indicate the midpoint out, both the top and the bottom. Then I will fold each side to the middle, then fold it together to become one. Then I'll place it under the machine and start stitching it. After stitching this side finish, I turn it to the top, I stitch it, then I come to the other side and continue the stitching. And that is how to make handle for tote bag. I will repeat the same process to the second hand. Now I will be fixing the handle to the tote bag. I'll take the main body, I'll fold it into two to indicate the midpoint out. After that, I'll take the tape rule, I'll place it on it. From the middle to that side, I'll measure 2.5 inches, and from the middle to that side, I'll measure 2.5 inches. I'll place the handle at the back of 2.5 inches line. Then I'll also stitch the other side. And that is how to attach the handle to the main body. Now I'll be placing the handle cover on each and stitch it together. I'll also repeat the same to the other side. This is it after stitching the handle cover to both the front and the back panel. Now I will be stitching the D-ring holder to the front panel, where I will be adding the mini purse. And the measurement is 1.7 inches by 2.2 inches. So I will fold each side to the middle this way and insert the D-ring inside it. Then fold it together with the D-ring. After that, I will stitch it to the top of the front panel a little bit closer to the handle. After that, I will join the back and the front panel together this way and stitch the bottom. And this is it after stitching it. Now I will be adding inner bottom to the tote bag. So I will be making use of carry board for the bottom instead of marco. It's a very light one, it's not that thick, so that's the reason why I'm using it. So in this video, I will not be showing the bottom outside. I want it to be inner bottom, so the carry board will be the inside the bag, not the outside of the bag. So if you want to make this kind of bottom, just click the link in my description box below to watch on how to make tote bag with this kind of bottom. So you can see that I've sewed the carry board and the leather together. So in case you don't want to sew it, you can use gum to join both together. Now I'll be adding the carry board to the bottom of the tote bag this way. After that, I'll be stitching both sides. So I'm done stitching it. You see the way it looks like, very neat and very straight both sides. So if you look at the front of the bottom, you can see that the sewing line is very straight, because you know that the sewing line will be showing at the back side, so it must come out neat and straight. Now I'll be joining the tote bag together. After that, I'll be closing up the bottom of both sides. This is the tote bag. After turning it to the front side, it looks very neat and beautiful. Now I'll be adding lining inside it. So I've cut out the lining and the two zipper base together with the zipper. So I'm done making the lining together with the zipper base that will be inside the tote bag. If you want to learn on how to make that, kindly click the link in the description box below to learn on how to make inner lining for tote bag. Now I'll be putting the lining inside the tote bag and make sure the mouth of both rhyme with each other. Then after that, I will stitch it round together. And this is how it looks like after joining both together by stitching it. I try to cut out the essence that remain out of the ring holder. Now I'll be using taping to tape it round to cover the mouth of the tote bag. And the measurement I cut out is 31.7 inches length by 1 inches wide. Now I'll be using it to tape the mouth of the tote bag. And this is how it looks like after using the taping to tape it round. It looks very neat and beautiful. Then after that, I try to insert the zipper mouth inside the zipper. You see the way it is, it's rhyme with each other. So I'll be using zipper stopper to close the zipper up so that when pulling the zipper mouth, it will not be coming out. So I will be making use of gum to gum it inside the zipper stopper because the zipper stopper doesn't have a bolt. So I will try to fold the mouth of the zipper so that it will enter the zipper stopper very well. Then I will take the zipper stopper, I'll put a little bit of gum inside it. Then I'll put the zipper stopper inside it to gum together. So the tote bag is almost ready. Now I'll be adding the mini purse to it. So to make the mini purse, kindly click the link in the description box below to watch on how to make a mini purse for tote bag. So I've added my logo to it. You can see the way it looks like, very beautiful and stylish. And we have come to the end of this video on how to make this stylish trendy tote bag you're seeing on the screen. It's so beautiful, stylish. I love the way it's turned out. So if you have learned something from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stitch and Kai Curation. Like, share and give your thoughts in the comment section below. Bye. See you in the next video.